Welcome. If you're looking to turn off reader mode in Google Chrome on your mobile device, you're in the right place. Reader mode, also known as Simplified View, is a feature that makes web pages easier to read by removing ads and clutter. But sometimes, you might want to view the full version of a site instead. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you disable reader mode in Chrome Mobile, updated for 2025. First, open the Chrome app on your mobile device. Navigate to the web page you want to view. This could be any article or site where you've previously seen the simplified reader mode appear. Next, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on these dots to open the Chrome menu. From the list of options, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can control various features of Chrome. Once you're in Settings, keep scrolling until you find the Accessibility section. Tap on Accessibility to open up more options related to how Chrome displays content on your device. Here, you'll see an option labeled Simplified View for web pages. This is the switch that controls reader mode. If it's turned on, Chrome will automatically offer you a simplified version of web pages that support it. To disable reader mode, simply tap the toggle next to Simplified View so it's turned off. That's it. Now, when you browse the web in Chrome, you'll see the full original version of each site, no more automatic reader mode prompts. If you ever want to turn reader mode back on for easier reading, just follow these same steps and switch Simplified View back to on. This feature is especially helpful for those who prefer a distraction-free reading experience. But it's just as easy to disable when you want the complete web page. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other Chrome tips and tricks. Happy browsing!